Okay, so good day. We have here a little problem about exponent, right? So first we have negative 2 raised to 4, and also we have the quantity of negative 2 raised to 4. Okay, so what should be the answer? Is it positive or negative? So let's try solving this, right? So negative 2 raised to 4, uh, is it equal to, okay, so here we only raise the 2 by the power of 4. So we can write as negative 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, next 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. Negative times 16 is equal to negative 16. Okay. And in this case, we have negative 2 raised to 4. Okay, so looking at this situation, we can see that the negative 2 is raised to the power of 4. So what will happen is that it will become like this, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 times negative is positive, so we have positive 4 times positive 4, which is a result to positive 16. Okay, so this is the only difference we can see in identifying whether the answer is positive or negative. Even when you use calculators, it will give the same answer. So thank you for watching.